Just got word that there's a hurricanado heading this way. So I'm out inspecting, checking. Everything looks kind of normal. Oh, there it is. There's a sign. Now they said get to a safe place, so I'm underneath my tiki bar. I find this place very safe because I built it. And that's lightning. Now we are going to have some very heavy winds coming right at us here shortly. Notice you don't hear any wind chimes. They're very light wind chimes. Woohoo! It's almost here. It's raining cats and dogs, man. Alright, I need some lightning with this little rain here. There we go. Get a little bit closer, meow. Oh, I think I'm hearing some hail. I'm hearing some hail. We have hail. We have hail, y'all. Alright, y'all, we got hail going on. Nobody should be outside right now, okay? We got hail. It's hailing. Oh, hail. Hail. We got hail. Woo, and we got lightning. Yep, we got hail. Man, it is just downpouring right now. The whole bottom of the sky just fell out. Yeah, doggy. She is coming down out there, y'all. Man, we got hail. Hail's hitting the tin roof right now on my tiki bar. Woo-hoo. Could I get some more lightning, please? We're getting a lot of rain, but I need more lightning. Lightning? Anywhere lightning? Calling all light. Yeah, buddy. Woo. Yeah, good stuff there. Yep. Raindar is still showing rain and catching dogs out here. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're right in the middle of it. Alright, now it has some rumble in the jungle. Passing over now. Dang it, man. It's passing over. There's a lot of non-stop thunder though. That is kind of different. Oh shoot, see that? Passing over. The rain on the tin roof is getting lighter. More lightning. It's on the back side of us now. The way I'm facing is the way the storm comes to me. We'll see if we get any more bright ones or not. Yeah, we're on the back side of it. Dadgummit. Yeah, it's a bummer.